Ghost, if you say you're a Christian, if you say you worship God, if you say you are Pentecostal, that you're Pentecostal, and you live the word and you fill with the Holy Spirit, you got to realize that you are called to be the head and not the tail. You are called to be up and not down, even though you feel down and weak, but you got to talk a positive word. That you are strong in the middle of your weakness. Let me let you know something. Youth tonight, you're not here just to hear the preacher. You're not here solamente just to hear some song. You're not here just to hear these instruments and hear people shouting and screaming. You're here for a reason too. You're here to worship God and receive a blessing that He got for you, because God always manifests in the moments of your difficulty. God never want to manifest when things are going good in your life, because God want to glorify Himself. Dios nunca se manifestará en tu momento más bien de tu vida. Dios siempre se quiere manifestar en tu momento más difícil, para que tú entiendas que tú tienes que defenderle a Dios, para que tú entiendas que tú tienes que darle la gloria a Dios y no al hombre. Por eso en medio de la prueba la unción te va a guiar a todas las cosas, no solamente a las lenguas, no solamente a tocar instrumentos, no solamente a predicar. La unción te va a guiar a salir de la prueba.